All right, it is time to rock and roll with the pop strum pattern. This is probably the most difficult pattern that we'll learn here in our ChordBuddy system, but it's used in country, it's used in rock, it's used in pop. I mean, it's used all the time. So let me explain it first. Get my safety glasses on. We don't want anybody to get hurt. Is you do down, down, up, and then a down, up. So 2 downs, 2 ups, and a down, up. Here it goes. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so let me demonstrate this over, let's see, what are we at? We're at 110 on the metronome, 110 on the metronome, and I'll be going through blue, yellow, green, and red. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. Up, down, up. Down, down, up. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Again, down, down, up, down, up. Yellow, down, down, up, down, up. Green, down, down, up, down, up. Red, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Perfect.